Hi friends, today's lesson is for Module 1, Lesson 7. Our learning goal for today says, I can sort objects and match my groups to a number card. Okay, another two-step learning goal? Well, we must be getting pretty good at our learning goals if we're moving on to two steps all the time. Okay, so today we're going to be sorting the objects, which we're totally rocking at, and then we're going to match them to a number card. You know, the great thing about math is that you get to do problems in different ways. And this is just another example. Yesterday, we sorted them by categories and then put them into groups after we counted them. Today, we're going to match them with a number card. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. You know me very well, and even though I'm very organized in math, my desk is always very messy, right? Ugh. I have all these counting cubes out, and I didn't put them away yet. I need to work on that. So let's see. We're going to start with sorting. So how should I sort these counting cubes? What would you recommend, friend? Oh, sort them by color? That's a good idea. Let's start with red. Well, that one's just by himself, so I guess that makes that easier. What about the purple ones? I'm going to go ahead and slide those together. Here we go. That's organized. And let's see. Oh, how about those green ones? Let's see. I have that many green ones. Getting better. My desk is looking better already. Yeah, the yellow ones. That's a good choice. Slide those yellow ones together. And are we done, friends? Oh, no, the pink ones. My bad. Yep, let's organize those pink ones. And there we go. All right. So, first part of our learning goal is totally done. Sorting the objects. Hey, nice job, friends. Hey, let's go ahead and give ourselves a super clap for sorting them so beautifully. A super clap is where you count to 3 and then give yourself one big gigantic clap. All right, it's like one big cheer. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Rock stars. Okay, so we sorted them. Do you remember what the second step in our learning goal was? Good, yeah, we're gonna match our sorted amounts to a number card. All right, so here we go. All right, so I'm going to start with our red cube that we had. Now, how many red cubes are there? Good job, there's 1. So the number card we're going to pick to go along with it is, of course, 1. All right, let's see, what color did we have next? Okay, we had purple. Can you see how many counting cubes we have there? Let's count together. 1, 2. So what number card would we put to go along with this tower? Yeah, good. 2. I love matching our towers to a number card because I can clearly see from our picture of our counting cube and the card how much is in each tower. Oh, 1. Perfect. Oh, 2. All right. It's very organized. It's really important to be organized in math. All right, let's get our next stack of counting cubes. There we go. Can you count and tell me how many you see in that stack? Perfect. 1, 2, 3. So our number card would be 3. Excellent. What about, this next stack of yellow ones? How many yellow counting cubes do you see? Oh, nice. 1, 2, 3, 4. Our number card is going to be 4. Excellent. And then let's get our last ones, those pink ones. How many counting cubes do you see in that tower? I love what a nice job you're doing counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our number card is going to have the number 5. Excellent job. Okay, friends, thank you so much. We sorted them, and then now we put them with a number card. What do you notice about how we sorted them versus the number cards? What do you notice? Yeah, we sorted them by color, but then we put them in order from 1 all the way to 5. And our number cards show that we put them in that order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We also can see that the towers grow. It starts off pretty short, and they get bigger as we add a number. See, when we organize our good math thinking, it helps us to see a lot of things a little bit clearer. I love it. Friends, you did awesome with this learning goal today. It said, I can sort objects and match my groups to a number card. That's exactly what we did. You did fantastic. Okay, so for your exit ticket, what I would like you to do is I already put down the number cards, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're either going to use number cards or you can write your own number cards on a dry erase board, just in order like I did. Then I want you to draw circles really quickly above each number card showing that number. All right, I can't wait to see your good work. Oh, you could also, if you have counting cubes, you could actually put counting cubes up there under the number cards. That would also be an option. All right, so whatever you choose. Oh, I love math. So many choices. Good luck, friends.